Every adult learner comes with potential, but also with barriers that can block their path. Understanding those barriers is key to helping them succeed. Unlike children, adult learners often juggle jobs, families, financial pressures, and more. Time is one of the biggest obstacles. There's never enough of it. Then there's confidence. Many adults carry baggage from earlier education. Maybe they struggled in school, were told they weren't smart enough, or never had the chance to learn. This self-doubt can quietly sabotage even the most motivated learner. Technology can also be a barrier. Not everyone is fluent with digital tools, and fear of making mistakes can keep adults from fully engaging. Cost, access, and logistics matter too. Courses that are too expensive, too rigid, or too far away often feel out of reach. And then there are emotional barriers. Fear of failure, fear of looking foolish, fear of not belonging. These silent blockers are powerful and too often overlooked. So how do we as educators and learning designers break these barriers down? First, we start with empathy. Understanding the lives, pressures, and emotions our learners carry is the first step to designing meaningful solutions. Second, we build flexibility. Offer learning that fits into real life, not the other way around. Think micro-learning, self-paced modules, and mobile-friendly design. Third, create a safe space. Normalize questions, welcome mistakes, celebrate progress, no matter how small. Psychological safety is essential for adult learners to engage fully. Fourth, make the learning relevant. Adults need to see how learning connects to their goals, roles, and challenges. Relevance isn't a bonus, it's the foundation. Fifth, support confidence. Include early wins, provide clear feedback, and encourage reflection. Help learners see progress and believe in their ability to grow. And finally, offer support. Mentorship, peer learning, community spaces, and responsive educators make a huge difference. Learning is easier when you're not doing it alone. Barriers may be real, but they are not permanent. With the right design, support, and mindset, they can be lowered, reworked, or removed entirely. Because when we remove the roadblocks, we unlock potential. And every adult deserves that opportunity.